Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change meal names on MyFitnessPal. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your meal names on MyFitnessPal. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to MyFitnessPal. Then click on More on the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, click on My Meals, Recipes, and Foods in the middle. Then click on Meals. And so here we have a yogurt protein mix meal. If we click on this meal and then go ahead and click on the actual name, and then go ahead and actually click on Edit on the bottom left hand corner, then click on the name. This is going to allow us to go ahead and change the meal name. So after you change the meal name, click on Save, then click on the check mark, then click on Snacks, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change meal names on MyFitnessPal. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.